And I'm gonna give you today's holidays and observances, of course, for April 16. Ayan, okay. Uy, congrats dun sa ano yung mga dati kong kasama. Ayan, narinig ko lang, nabalitaan ko lang. Oh. Yung mga ginagawa ko na ganito, ginagawa nyo na ngayon. Okay, congrats. World Voice Day ang April 16. Ayan, let your voice be heard. Ayan, that's today, April 16. Alright, memorial for the victims of the Holocaust. Isa sa mga, alam mo yan, darkest moment ng history of mankind, yung Holocaust na nangyari noon. For those who don't know, baka meron pa rin hindi nakakalam who are not familiar, Holocaust was done by the political party of Adolf Hitler noong World War II, kung saan he tried, no? Eliminating all the Jews of the world. Diba? Sinubukan niyang i-wipe out lahat ng Jews, pero, well, hindi naman siya nagtagumpay, pero millions perish because of that, di ba? Yan, talagang dark part of our history na, well, yeah, it is what it is. Germany is making, making amends naman. Makikita mo naman sa kanila na gumagawa sila ng they're making bawi. Yon, the best way to describe it, they're making bawi. Yeah, they're good friends with Israel now and the Jew people. Tapos may mga special treatment silang binibigay, you know, to make bawi sa nangyari. Yeah, okay? So, Germany of now compared to noon is a very progressive country, progressive system of government. Progressive sila, no? Okay. And Healthcare Decisions Day. All right? Well, that's self-explanatory already. Healthcare decisions. What are your decisions for your healthcare? Bahala ka. It's your health. It's your thing. And April 16 is also Banana Day. Sino mahilig sa banana? Banana is a very, very good fruit kasi it has lots and lots of thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, aka vitamin B. B vitamins. Sagana po sa B vitamins yan. Tsaka not to mention potassium. Diba? Have you guys ever noticed yung mga basketball player or football player or any athletes na that requires talagang yung physical activity na na sport, talagang very physical sports, they eat a lot of banana bago sila mag-umpisa. Why? Because the potassium can help them prevent pulikat. Yun, okay? So nakakatulong na mag-prevent ng pulikat yung potassium. Okay? So, there you go. Mahirap ka naman, di ba? Nagbabasketball ka, tumatakbo ka. Pag bigla kang pinulikat, kung basketball player ka, you can relate. Ang hirap. Di ba? Parang all of a sudden, may pumipigil sa bawat hakbang mo. Pag pinulikat ka bigla while you're playing. Okay? So, that's their one way of getting rid of it. Eat lots and lots of banana before playing. Okay? Also, April 16 is Orchid Day. Who loves orchids? Sino mahilig sa orchids? The flower orchid, of course. Ayan. There's a lot of different orchid species, right? Di ba? Hindi lang isang klase ang orchid eh. Maraming species yan. Alam mo nyo may merong mysterious orchid na nabanggit sa medical journal. Very rare na hindi they are not sure kung extinct na or meron pa. Why? Isa sa mga theory nila, if ever it's extinct na nga, kung sakaling ang extinct na, it's because it was used a lot back then, nung mga sinaunang tao, sinaunang panahon. Dahil yung orchid daw na yon, it's believed to have something like restores your youth, parang ganon, capability, parang ganon. Ayaw ko anong gagawin, kung didikdikin ba, tapos ngunguyain, gagawing bubble gum, or ipapahid. Yun. Merong orchid na species na gano'n na pinaniniwalaan nila na maaaring extinct na or hindi lang matagpuan dahil napaka-rare talaga. Doon binase yung if you guys remember the movie Anaconda with Jennifer Lopez, tsaka nagkaroon pa ng part 2. Doon binase yun yung theory na kung bakit yung Anaconda is ang laki-laki na parang forever young, na hindi tumatanda, parang gano'n, kaya malakas. And malakas because of that orchid. Di ba? You guys remember that? Okay. Kung napanood nyo. Kung hindi nyo napanood, wala kayong idea siguro. And also, April 16 is Save the Elephant Day. There are still a couple of elephant species that that's endangered. Pero generally hindi naman na, they're off the endangered list na. Dumami na sila, no? And Elephant Day. And lastly, today is also Stress Awareness Day. Okay? Stress is not good for you. So, huwag kang mai-stress. Di ba sabi nga, yung mga bagay-bagay na nakakapagpa-stress sa'yo, nagpapaproblema sa'yo, huwag mong tambayan. Daanan mo lang. Hayaan mo yung stress. Hayaan mo yung problema. Problema ang mamoblema sa'yo. Huwag mo silang problemahin. Okay? So, those are the holidays and observances for you. April 16, 2025. And for all of you people celebrating your birthdays today, this one's for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you! Famous people, celebrities, and the like celebrating their birthdays today. Kung birthday mo ngayon, April 16, eto, sila yung mga ka-birthday mo. Happy birthday to Filipino basketball player and actor JC Tuseco. Okay? I think he also was part of that reality TV show before. Ano nga ba ang title no? Nakalimutan ko na. Basta, yeah, that one. Which made him become, even more popular aside from being a popular basketball player na. Okay? Uy, Meli Tagasa. I think birth anniversary for her because she passed away in 2018 na, no? Si Meli Tagasa, for those who are not familiar, siguro nakakapanood kayo noon ng John and Marcia, nag-guest to doon pati na rin sa Student Canteen nag-guest din to, sa TV show na TBJ, Tito Vic and Joey, madalas yan doon. Tsaka yung School Bukol noon, di ba? Yan. Siya si Miss Tapia kung tawagin. Ayan. Even in their movies ng Tito Vic and Joey, kasama siya minsan no? Si Miss Tapia Meli Tagasa. Ayan. She was born April 16, 1935. Okay? Very iconic Filipina, actress, character actress. And Selena Quintanilla was born April 16, 1971. Do you guys remember si Selena? The other popular Selena. Yan, singer din. Yan, Selena. She simply goes with the name Selena kasama yung band niya. Yan. She passed away in 1995 tragically, very young age. She was just 24 because she was murdered. She was shot during her live performance. Diba? Napaka-tragic ng kanyang at the height of her kasikatan. Okay? Fame. And Sadie Sink of Stranger Things. Yeah, there you go. Tama ba ako? Stranger Things, no? Sadie Sink. I know you're a big fan of Stranger Things. TV actress Sadie Sink. Yeah, she plays the role of Max Mayfield. Yeah, okay? And she was also in the couple of episodes of Blue Bloods and The Americans. All right. And next up we have happy birthday also to Anya Taylor-Joy. Turns 29 today, and she's in another Netflix popular series din. Ayan. Queen's ano ba yung title mo? Queen's Gambit. Yun, there you go. Tama ba? Hindi ko makita nawawala. Hindi yata sinama sa listahan. But anyways, yeah, she was also in M. Night Shyamalan's Split, if you guys remember, okay? And yung kanyang breakout role nga is the Queen's Gambit. Ayun, there you go, nasa baba. Sa Netflix. Yan, isa rin sa mga na pag nagde-debut or nagpe-premiere, ng new episode grabe. Grabe. Also, happy birthday to Chance the Rapper, turns 32 today. Martin Lawrence turns 60. Yan yung partner ni Will Smith sa Bad Boys. R&B singer Akon turns 52. Charlie Chaplin was born April 16, 1889. Okay? And the NBA's Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, 78. One of the Iron Men of the NBA dahil sa dami ng nilarong games. I think he's number one sa the most number of games played. Pero LeBron James is coming. He's out to break all rules, all records, I mean. And MMA's Nate Diaz, one of the MMA superstars, turns 40 today. Yan ang mga masarap na kaibigan, mga ganyang champion sa MMA, no? Pag naglalakad kayo sa kalsada, lahat ng masalubong mo, gusto mong sabihin, "Hey! Wanna fight? My friend? Not me." Mga ganon, no? Okay. And also, happy birthday to movie actress Liliana Mummy. Turns 31 today. Is this Mummy or Mumi? Okay. She was in the movie The Santa Claus Part 2. Do you guys remember? And Cheaper by the Dozen. All right, along with si Lizzie McGuire. Tama ba ako? Iba yata yung nasa isip ko. But anyways, John Cryer, TV actor, is also one of today's birthday celebrants. Ang dami, ha? Okay, and let's wrap it up. Happy birthday also to, lastly, movie actress Gina Carano. Okay. Oh, and Pope Benedict XVI was born April 16, 1927. Pero back in 2022, he passed away. And the year before that, medyo, ang alam ko, nag-quit siya, no? He quit his papacy dahil because of health reasons. Yun, hindi na makayanan. Okay? And there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you, April 16. Birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating the birthdays today. Text me up 0910-690-9501. Oh, yun muna yung number ko. And you may also comment it below the live video. Okay, our live video is on. Check it out on Radyo Bandera. And I also shared it on my page, the popular Olongapo City pages as well. Okay, April 16, birthday celebrants. Let me do the shout out for you. And that segment was brought to you by Royal Duty Free, Store 1 and Store 2, of course. Check out the Royal Summer Sale happening on April 25, 26, and 27. It's on a weekend, all right? Friday, Saturday, and Sunday up to 50% off on selected items, featuring the special offers called 1 peso treat, $1 deal, buy one get one, purchase with purchase, and a whole lot more. It's the sale you've been waiting for. The Royal Summer Sale is happening April 25 to 27 with up to 50% off on a wide range of items. Ang daming pagpipilian yan, okay? So check it out. Mark your calendars. April 25, 26, and 27. You may check the Royal Duty Free Shop's Facebook page. Just look it up. Also, the official website, www.royalsubic.com, and you may call them up, 252-3258, the landline hotline number, okay? Bottom of the hour break. We will be back with more. Please do stick around. We'll be right back.